Welcome. In front of me I have a JBL microphone, Quantum stream, and I'll go over unboxing. I'll go a quick look at the mic itself. This is obviously one more of the brands. Most of the brands are starting to make just streaming equipment, so JBL isn't, I guess, holding back with theirs. So obviously it comes with useless features like RGB, which you can see right here, or just some kind of lighting. It has basically what you'd expect from a mic. It is, I presume, a USB mic. Now, taking out the cable, we do have a nice braided cable right here, and it looks like it does have decent length to it as well. So that's pretty good. Then below that, we have instruction, and I guess that was holding the mic. And then, oh boy, that's a disappointing little fella right here. That's what she said. So compared to the box itself, this is this is a tiny little fella right here. Okay, now this mic apparently has two different pickup patterns. So we have what looks to be cardioid and just omni pickup. So there we go. We do have a mute button at the top, or at least it looks like it's a button. Then we have a volume knob right here, tactile one with steps to it. So that's pretty nice. It comes with a metal base, and it does have just a decent amount of actual movement. So you can place it the way you want to. And at the bottom right here we have our Type-C port for plugging it to the computer so it can get power, and obviously the sound goes through it. So that's it. Now, one thing that I want to point out, the port placement is kind of in an odd place, because you will have it come out right here and then probably go back. So that's I'm not the biggest fan of that. And this can be detached, as you can see. So if you have some kind of thread to it, you can just screw it in and have it on a boom arm. But one thing that I want to point out, this is super light. It's equivalent to my G305 mouse with the battery. So if you have any kind of boom arm that has any kind of weight support, this will be too light to do anything on there. It's just gonna go straight up. So if you have ones that can be just adjusted and tightened manually, then that will be probably better. But for anyone that has spring-loaded ones, yeah, this won't do. Obviously just gonna shoot up to the sky. Yeah, there we go. One more thing that I didn't mention, at the bottom we also have a headphone jack right here. So I presume this is so you can have it pass through, so you can hear yourself while you speak and just have some kind of control over it. But there we go. Just a mic. Not much to it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.